Aloha guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Ariel Ali'i from the islands of Waikiki. Hey. So we are back with another video, but for today's vlog, I really wanted to do another Halloween makeup tutorial. Since it's a couple more days till Halloween, I really wanted to do a makeup tutorial that would be easy to follow and anyone can do. So with that being said, for today's video, we are gonna recreate a Bambi look or a deer look. So watch and follow, and let's proceed to the video. As you can see, I already did my foundation, my eyebrows, prime my lids. So now let's move on to the eyes. For my eyes, I'm gonna use the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm gonna take this light brown shade to be my transition or my base shade. And I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill 33 brush to wipe that all over my crease. Alright, to deepen up the look, we're gonna take this brown over here on a 35M palette, and we're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill 32 brush to wipe that on the outer corner into my lid. Alright, so we're going to add a little bit shimmer to our lid, and we're going to use a James Charles palette, and we're going to just mix the shade Face and So Good, and we're going to use the Jaclyn Hill 41 brush to wipe that all over our lid. Now we're gonna do our concealer, and we're gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, and I'm just gonna conceal my T-zone so that it's lighter for that deer face that we're going for. Now we're just gonna set that with loose powder, and we're using the e.l.f. HD powder. And then we're just gonna dust that off of our face. Now we're gonna do contour, and I decided that I'm gonna use this one, which is actually a foundation, but it's dark, so I can use it for a contour. And I'm gonna use the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. we're gonna contour our nose, and we're gonna use the same one. It's very little. What you can do is use a brush to just blend it. Blend everything in. You can use a brush or a beauty blender to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Now we're gonna define our contour a little bit more, and I'm gonna use the NYC matte bronzer, which is right over here, and we're just gonna define it because we're adding little dots on top of that contour for that deer effect. Now we're gonna sketch out our nose part, and we're gonna use the James Charles palette with the shade Spooky right over here. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill 42 brush to sketch that out. We're gonna add a little bit line right over here in between our nose and our upper lip. And I'm just using my bronzer. Now we're going to add the dots on our contour for that deer effect. Now we're going to add our highlight, and we're going to use this shade over here on our James Charles palette, which is a ring light. Toast of New York. Alright, I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and lashes off cam, and I'll be right back for the final look. guys, so this is the final look. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, like and share, and turn on your notification bell so you will be updated for the next one. Aloha guys, bye.